Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nayar Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Alright, so today I have with me artisanal hair oil by Lost Remedies. This 100 ml of natural and chemical free oil retails for 485 rupees. To promote hair growth, controls hair fall, and this removes dandruff, and also this nourishes scalp. Alright, products of this newly launched brand are handmade, Ayurvedic, vegan, lab tested, cruelty free and preservative free. Alright, I got breathless while talking about the qualities which is a good thing, I guess. Before getting into the details of this oil, I would like to show my hair. Alright. So as you can see, my hair is looking so nice and soft because yesterday I applied this hair oil on my hair and I washed it off, and today also my hair is looking and feeling very soft, as you can see. Yeah, so this has many natural ingredients. This has approximately 10 to 12 natural ingredients, which I'll just tell you. This has castor oil, which increases the flow of oxygen to your hair and roots. This has Bhringraj, which improves blood circulation on your scalp. This has Ratan Jot, which promotes hair growth. This also has methi seeds, and methi seeds, we all know, fenugreek seeds, they are very good for your hair. And this has hibiscus, which rejuvenates hair growths, and this has brahmi, this prevents premature graying, that is also a big issue nowadays. And this has shallots. Shallots is a form of small onions, also known as madras onions. They are the smaller version of basic onions, but they are highly nutritious as compared to the regular onions. Yeah, and they treat scalp infections and dandruff, shallots. And this has shikakai, which clears fungal infection of the scalp, and vetiver root provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Vetiver is basically khaskhas, khus, I guess. Vetiver is basically that, and that also helps as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that has. Alright, so I'll show you the bottle. This also has coconut oil, because it is written over here that as it has coconut oil, it can freeze, during winters this can freeze. You can keep this in warm water to, defreeze it. Yeah, so this is how the bottle looks like. And there is a stopper. So once you remove this stopper, this is the oil. Either you can apply this oil by attaching this comb applicator, like I did in the demo, you can see. Or you can use this basic regular cap. It has a small hole. Yeah, so these are the two methods by which you can use this oil. I mean, you can choose your method of application. The first time I actually used a comb applicator, I was really happy with the results, because this kind of glides very easily into your hair and it becomes easy for the oil to reach the scalp. So it was good. I want to tie my hair, it's very hot. Alright, so I tied my hair because I was feeling very hot, as no fan, no AC. So I guess so. I think I almost told you everything regarding this oil. One more thing I would like to mention is that they are saying apply this oil on scalp liberally and leave overnight. For best results, use every day for the first 7 days, and then after 2 to 3 times a week. That's what they're saying. My personal experience, I would like to say, is when after I applied this oil on my hair and after I washed, I kept it on my hair for like 2 to 3 hours because I generally don't oil my hair much. But now I have started doing this because monsoons, now I have noticed that monsoons are creating a havoc on my hair. So I have started applying oils. But yes, I kept it for good 2 to 3 hours and then after I washed it. But visibly, I noticed my hair fall was less. Like within the first wash I could notice that. Like for example, if I lose 100 hair per day, for example, I have never counted, nobody counts, but yes, if for example if I lost 100 hair per day, I, after washing off this oil and after using this oil, I could see like 50 or something, like half, approximately half. Like hair fall was less, it was visibly less. So I firmly believe that this oil has something very good in it which can prevent hair fall. So if you are suffering from hair fall, hair loss, hair breakage, dry hair, rough hair, dandruff or itchy scalp or anything, you can try this, and I think this will be very beneficial for you. This is the kind of transparency I like when I use any product. Like everything is mentioned, what is used in this, how it is used in this, how you have to use this. I love this. Alright, so it's not fair to it's not fair to talk about a hair oil while tying my hair. It's not fair because my hair is looking very good. I can feel my hair is looking very good. Alright, okay, so that was it. I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to purchase this. You can buy this, and I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.